Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making shortbread biscuits. You will love it. And this is butter, vanilla sugar, baking powder, and honey. I will be using honey and milk, pig milk. This is flour, and this is hot water. I'm going to be melting the honey in this hot water. I don't want to use sugar. I prefer using this honey for this recipe. So we'll start with the butter and add all the ingredients. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, use this opportunity to click the bell and expect next recipe like this, even better ones is coming on the way. So you just have to use this machine and make it smooth. I'm going to add everything. Add the honey. If you don't have machine, you can also use your hand if you like. So make sure that it's very smooth and lovely. Guys, this is ready. Right now I'm gonna test it for you. You see how delicious it looks? So it tastes very good. You will love it. Try this out and let me know how you feel. Very nice, very nice. See you guys in my next video, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share also. Thanks for watching.